Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to show you guys something cool that you can do with your S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let me see here, let me find it. Here are my orders. It is a stainless ball pen tip for your Galaxy Z Fold 3's S Pen. See it there? Those are cool. Two little S Pen ballpoint pen tips. Say that fast 5 times or 3 times. They cost me like $10.99 for 2, and they're made by REEYEAR, REEYEAR, and they look like this. Oops. Now, in the first box that they sent me the one that has S Pen pliers in it. I don't know why they didn't send them to me in the second one. They got cheap on me, I guess, because I wanted to try this out first before I made a video about it, so I could tell you guys if it was going to work or not. And it works. It works really good. I was really happy with it. So here is the S Pen pliers for the Galaxy. Now, it's important for me to tell you guys that it only works with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 Fold Edition pen. It does not work with the S Pen Pro. It only works with the Fold Edition pen. I don't know why. I think it has something to do with the It has something to do with the pressurizing, because you know how the tip folds in or pushes in if you put too much weight on it for the Z Fold side of it. Something to do with that. I'm not sure. Anyway, these are the S Pen tips. The little ballpoint pen tips. See if I can get this thing open here. Okay. And it just goes in like so. And there you have it. Ballpoint pen tip for the Z Fold 3 S Pen. Show you guys real quick how it works. Still works fine. And it feels pretty good to write with. This is a test of the new Z Fold 3 S Pen tips by REEYEAR, and they only cost about $10.99, but it's cool because they'll never wear out, you know. They won't wear out like these worthless tips that they put in from Samsung. It like never wears out unless you bend it, which I have done by sticking it into a case. They're really not more delicate, but they are delicate, So you have to be careful when you put it in a case like this. You don't bend the tip, because it'll bend pretty easy. But that's it. That's all I got for today. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Pretty cool, huh? That's it. Later, guys.